All right, guys, quick progress on some of the body work we're doing. Separated the rear bed from the cab. And for you guys that don't know, this black spray is on so when we block it down, it's all flat, and we made sure we get a full layer sanded down. That's all that is. So anything that you're seeing here with the spray, that's where a little bit of body work was done. That's actually primer. So all that, of course, will get sanded down. Obviously, this is going to be a complete repaint. We're just in the body work phase right now. Dex, where are the doors? The complete bottom part of these doors were all welded on, got all new metal. Of course, everything will get sanded down and reshot as well. And you can tell the paint, the factory paint, was in good condition, but you know, there are some scratches here and there, some chips and everything else. And obviously with our restoration process, we are going to repaint the whole truck.